We could get a quick little bounce here. Okay, I'm long. Look at it. Let's see, price will break higher. Maybe pull back to this area right here at 45. Uh, Close above, and maybe go along. If price could break these areas here, and what I mean is do this right here. Let me show you. Where's my arrow line? Okay, meaning break up, give us some clearance, just to pull back, maybe to this area right here. Okay, and if it can do that. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and today is what is today? Today is the 21st of March, guys. Okay, so we're looking at the E-mini S&P 500. This is the ES, the futures market. This is the E-mini S&P 500, which is a derivative of the S&P 500, the major index, and yeah, so we're looking here this morning to see what kind of trades we can get into. Hopefully, it'll be a good day for us. It's currently almost 10:10. Those that follow the channel know that I normally wait 20 to 25 minutes before trading, guys, to kind of follow through to the market. But I am a little late today looking at the market. But we'll go ahead and jump right into the video. I want to start off by saying thanks to those who've already subscribed to the channel. That means you've already hit that red button and have subscribed. And if you have not, click the little bell icon, the post notification icon. Please make sure to go ahead and do that. I'll give you a couple of seconds here to do that. All right. Hopefully you already hit that little bell icon, which is the post notification. That will ensure that you never miss one of the uploads. I appreciate that, guys. If this is your first time watching one of the videos, thank you. However you found the channel, thank you for tuning in this morning. Go ahead and sit back and grab your coffee and let's watch. You can stay tuned and watch the video today. I have about 180 plus videos on the channel. I'm a price action trader, guys. So I simply just trade and look for areas where the market pulls back to based on retracements or pullbacks to some areas of good high probability levels of support and resistance. I like to trade the supply and demand areas within an area of a support and resistance as well. So go ahead if you're a newbie to the channel and it's your first time watching. If you don't mind, go ahead and hit that red button, that subscribe button. And we'd love to have you and thank you for joining the team. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the market right now to see what's going on. So far this morning, the market opened up around this area right here, around the half number 44.50, and pushed up here. We got a little break of the high, the close of the session from Friday. So, yeah. So we are bouncing off of a level down here, okay, and yeah, okay. So let's see what price can do from here. I'm going to take a look at the 60 range here in a second. We're trying to catch to see if there's any opportunity and maybe catching a trade here to the downside. The market, the structure right now, we do have a little leg to the downside here. This could just be a pullback, okay, and price pushing higher. So let's see what happens here because we are kind of breaking little structure to the downside, but looks like price may be pulling through this. So let me wait here and see what happens. 375. Yeah, let me see what happens here. Just taking a look to see if the price is going to break up or break to the downside. Not 100% sure at this point, at this moment here, so we'll see. Yeah, I'm not sure. But I'm going to take a look at the 60 range here because I would kind of want to always like to start off by looking at to see what the market's doing from a bigger time frame. All right, this is going to be a quick little scalp. Sorry, guys. Scalping real quick. Okay, there we go. The scalping to the downside, back to the low right here. All right, so quick little scalp here, nothing much. Okay, so I'm going to take a look at the. I was waiting for that just to kind of see if I can get maybe 6.6 ticks or so off that trade there. Let me pull up my trade performance because I'm not sure. Here it is. And I said today was the 21st of March, guys. We're about to close out the month of March here in a few days and roll into April. This year is swinging by. I mean, it's really moving. 5 ticks there, so not much. Okay, profit is profit, so it doesn't matter how we get it, right? So let's look at that higher time frame, that 60 range, and see what we got going on. Okay, so we have been pushing to the upside. You can see pretty much since since the beginning of, I'll say, February, guys. We've been kind of pushing to the upside in a sense. I mean, we've got a channel to the upside here, a bigger channel. This is a higher time frame now. It's a 60 range. Price chopping to the upside, moving up, pulling back, making a higher high, and then taking out this high here at 44.12, breaking higher. We're testing some areas right now. The high is sitting up at 44.72. That's that 40. That's that 70 area, which I talked to you guys about those heading pivot areas, like the 40 and 70 areas. So talk a little fast. I'm trying to, look at some things as far as gauging the market and trying to depend on what it's, trying to decide what it's trying to do here. Take a look at it. So we're at an area of resistance where price is bouncing off of right here in this area. The swing to the downside. So this was from like February 13th to kind of the 17th here. This price forming this swing to the downside here. This bigger swing off the 60 range. So we're in this area of resistance right here, okay? So so far price is not breaking through that area. So we'll mark this area, which I believe is up here, right up in here, okay? So you can see, if I go back over here, price is bouncing right off this red line right here. That's that area right there where you see price bouncing off of, and right now it's pulling back, okay? So price pushed off, say last Thursday and Friday, price just kind of swung to the upside, making higher highs and higher lows, okay? Pull back, broke a little higher here. Not the close of a candle here, but it did break up and wick out right here. Now we're pulling back. So right now we need to see if we are, this is an area of resistance where price can bounce at. So this is, let's go back over here and take a look. Here we go. I think this is it right here. Yeah, this is it. All right, so this is actually an area, let's see. Yeah. Okay, this is an area of supply off of a higher time frame, okay? Right here, this area right here, okay? Off the 60 range. So what happens there? We typically like to look for price to start making breaking structure to the downside, which it has, breaking structure to the downside and breaking support, okay? So right now it is at a key area where it can bounce at. It's already bounced once, pushed up, pull back. So it may continue pushing lower now, but we got to be careful because we do have areas of support, right below us. Let's just be mindful as well. Okay, look at that 24 range. It's kind of hard because the market's really been pushing up strong to the upside the last few weeks, pretty much. I mean, it's a lot of, you can trade either way, long or short. It doesn't really matter. But I like to look at the higher time frame and look for price to move into the area of demand and supply, and then start looking to see if price is going to on a lower time frame, which is my anchor chart, like 12 range, to see if it's going to start breaking structure to the downside or to the upside. Moving according to what's happening. So if price is right now, it hitting this area, which I said off the 60 range area of supply. Okay, rejecting supply. I can see price start chopping to the downside, breaking structure, okay, and then take the trades on the pullback to go short, okay, and vice versa. It's the opposite when I'm looking for a trade to go long. Price bouncing off of demand from the bottoms at an area demand on the higher time frame, okay, rejecting that area, moving up, breaking structure, pulling back, boom, look for an entry to go long, okay. It's as simple as that, guys, okay, and that's how we do it. All right, so yeah, I mean, this is let's see what happens in the market today. Not too much going on. I mean, we just had a break of this high right here. This morning, price pushing up, breaking. I think that was the session high from Friday. Yeah, it was. Okay, so all right. Right now we're bouncing off this area right here. So we're in a wedge right now. Those that do not know what a wedge is, excuse me. This is what a wedge is like. Price cannot break the highs. So we have a low here and a high here, okay? Off of a swing to the upside. Price cannot break this low here, nor can it break this high here. So what is it doing? It's just moving sideways. When you see a wedge means simply price is moving sideways. It's ranging, okay? All right. Can you trade? If you know what you're doing, you can trade. But right now I'm standing still because I'm waiting to see what price is going to do. If it's going to continue pushing higher or is it going to break and push lower. So that's what I'm waiting on. So I took a little short here. Not much room to trade from. Once I got the little trade back down to the low right here, so a few ticks here. So not much, but still able to profit. Just a couple ticks here. I'm a price action trader and a scalper. Okay. This is where you just kind of sit on your hands, grab your coffee, and get your mind flowing. I know sometimes, guys, I may talk a little quick because I'm back and forth between the charts. As a trader, you're recording videos. It's tough enough to try to sit here and do this on your own and focus and make sure because it takes 100% focus in trading because the simplest click of a button and you get into the wrong trade, you will lose money. And nobody wants to lose money, right? But it comes with the territory. There's risk factors that involved when you're trading. So it's just it is what it is, guys. It's the nature of the beast in this game. Let's see. Yeah, that was a short right there, but not much meat on the bone to trade from that area. So I had to scalp real quick. So I'm not sure. Maybe we'll price come back down to this area of support here, and it's gonna bust to the upside. So let's see. I don't know. I mean, we had a little sell off this morning, pulling back. So Delta showed it right here with these sell orders. So price and delta are kind of mirroring each other. They're kind of matching up right now. So let's just see wait and see what happens. Okay, so could price come back down to this little area right here and reject it right here on the pullback? So we could, it impossibly could. We'll see when price gets back down to this area right here around 35. Oh, I might have already did it. Not quite. So, not sure here. I'm long. Come on, baby. Come on. There we go. Come on. There we go. Okay, that's what I was waiting for, guys. All right, a little long down here at the bottom, probably to, it may come up here to 45. No, nope, nope. I take that back. Yep, bounce right here where it's at, 42. All right, so I just scalped right there. Price pulling back to this area right here. So, you got to be able to see these small little areas. Price pulls back, it wicks out down here at the bottom. It's not taking out an area of support right here. Right here, when it pull back, okay, it's bouncing off of it. Down here right at the bottom is pretty much where demand's sitting at. And I just scalped it back pretty much, trying to take it back up to 42. So just scalping, guys. And picking up, just 7 ticks there. So I'm at 12 ticks right now. All right, we'll see what happens here. All right, so the market is trying to break lower, right? Is it tapping into this area down here? Yes, it did. So I don't know. Yeah. I'm scalping real quick, guys. 38.50. Yeah, I got a scalp. Scalping real quick for this area. Actually, I should go for a little more than that. Come on. Ooh, not good. I see something. I need to pay attention here. Yep. Let me get this trade here. Okay. Yeah. Yep. No, I didn't pay attention. Okay. Price broke this area here on the way down. This little area right here. So I need to be careful there. All right. It could hasn't quite, maybe a tick or two away, but price on this when it came down right here, pull back, push lower. It did break this area right here. So I need to be careful here. I didn't pay attention to that. It did break this little area right here. Okay. So not much going on right now in the market. I mean, we're just kind of chopping to the downside, not with that, swings. That's the thing about the ES. It's a tight market. It's a thick market. So when it moves, it meaning swings to the upside or swings to the downside, meaning making higher highs or lower, making higher highs or higher lows and lower lows to the downside. It can move in small swings, I say. Okay, so. Not much right now, guys. Just 16 ticks. But we keep moving, right? Got out that trade. We nothing lost there. So that's how you do it. When you see something that don't make sense, get out. And that's what I did. Okay. I'm not sure what's gonna go on here. Um Oops. Yeah, the market is bouncing, but still be careful because it's got areas of resistance right above it, guys. Excuse me. So we'll just wait. What's it, the 24 range? I'm gonna look at the 24 range right quick. Nothing out there. Uh, hmm, what is this? 31? Don't know. Let's see. Well, let's go back. Take a look here. What is this? It's not 31. Let's see. Yeah, 31. Let me go back. 31. Let's grab this at the bottom here. Sorry about that, guys. The trader, you got to be able to look to the left hand of your chart and be able to see what you're looking at. What it is you're looking at. 34. Let's see. Hmm. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'll have to wait this one out and see what happens. Okay, so we got some news at 12 today. Today's the 21st. So this is Forex Factory. You can see here at 12 we got the Fed Chair Powell speaking at 12. So hopefully we'll be done trading way before then. It's currently 10:30 now, 10:35. So I'm gonna go at it probably for a little bit, another half an hour. We'll see. That's the thing about trading. If the market's not moving, you know, real good, too fluid, then you just stop, kind of pay attention to see what price is doing. And then when you start to see the market breaking some areas of interest to you, then you start to pay attention again, right? So just being warned, Fed Chair Powell speaking today, so I have to be mindful of that. But I'm typically normally every single day, I'm out of the market before even lunchtime. So that's the Eastern time. So um, we'll just leave it at that. Yeah, I'm not sure price is going to break this area here. Got his little swings to the downside, pushing down, pulling back, pushing down, making lower lows and lower highs on the chop to the downside. So price may break this area here. If so, then won't have much of a area to kind of do anything with. It'll pull back. Um, let's see. Actually, needs to break this area here. Sorry about that. Needs to break above 46, 46, 47 area. Okay, so let's see what price does. I'm not sure. Not sure. Let's see what it does. Yeah, pace of the market is very slow this morning. Okay, All right, so let's see if we can get a pullback. Let's see if we can get a pullback, guys. Oh, let's see price pullback. Oh man, it's gonna be right at the it will be right at the area of the VPOC though, if we do get a pullback here. So yeah, yeah. Mm, mm, let's see. I'm not sure here. We're gonna wait, see what happens. Okay. We could get a quick little bounce here. Okay, I'm long. Look at it. Come on. There we go. Quick little bounce. Like I said, guys, probably pop back up to this area right here, 44, 45. Okay, so all right, I saw price pull back. This little area right here. This is a little area of support. When price broke above, breaking structure, pulling back to the area of support. I looked over at my 4 range, saw price break above with the green candle here, right back to the area of the VPOC, and I knew it would pop up here and possibly, you know, bounce in this area right here at 45. So I knew it would stall out or at least pause right there. That's what I'm trying to say. So on that trade there, picking up just, let's see, 7 ticks. I'm up 20. Actually, I got a total of 24 ticks now. Okay, so okay, we'll just scalp along. Okay. Yeah, you see the market kind of rotating close and tight today, so it's not doing too much. Right, looks like price maybe trying to break higher, of course. Um, yeah. Let's see, price break higher. Maybe pull back to this area right here at 45. Uh, close above, and maybe go along. If price could break these areas here, and what I mean is do this right here. Let me show you. Where's my arrow line? Okay, meaning break up, give us some clearance, just to pull back, maybe to this area right here. Okay, and if it can do that at the break above 45, I'd go long back to the tops, meaning right here. Okay, so we got a triangle, right? See that? Price breaking up, breaking some key areas of structure, pulling back to an area of support. Boom, price can close above 45. We go long back to the area of structure, back to the high. Okay. Trading is not hard, guys. It's actually simple. It's just, being patient. That's probably the biggest thing I keep telling. I'll say this over and over. Discipline, having discipline, patience. Patience is a virtue. Sitting on your hands and waiting, waiting. All right. So prices. Let's see what happens here. So like right here, 45. To me, no, this is a no-no. Yeah. If price can come back down here to 41, 42 area and break back above, say 42, it could be a little something, but we'll just wait and see what happens. Let's see what this is. Wait and see what happens. Yeah, I don't really like the pace of price action today. It's just like, oh, it's slow. It's unbearable. Um, Following Delta. Delta is it was following price up to this point right here. I'm not saying price that Delta can't push higher, but it's a little high right here, forming this little structure to the upside. A little high right there on Delta. Delta hasn't broken that structure. Price has. So um, okay, maybe it's breaking it now. So yeah, maybe a price can come back down to 45. We could see, or even back down to 42. 42 would be a good area. Uh, but 42 is putting us right back at the VPOC too, so you gotta be careful with that. This is the high for today. Um, there's supply sitting up here, but be careful because price could actually, man, actually price could bounce, could reject this area here. Um, but if price rejects this area right here and breaks back down to the downside here, we got to be careful if you went short here because you got support right here. Okay, so man, that's what I'm saying. Be careful. Mm-mm. Yeah, 50, 49, price breaking below 49. It probably could swing back down here to 47. It's tight, man. It's really tight. It's really tight. Um, and actually, I wouldn't do that. Wouldn't even trade that, to be honest with you. I wouldn't be taking a short here. I'm not saying you can't, but yeah, let's see. 50. Yeah, I wouldn't take a trade here. Nah, nope, because this little area right here, pushed up, pulled back, broke higher. Um, I actually didn't. Did it break above 40? Yeah, I won't be taking a trade right here. Nope, not me. Not short anyway. Maybe on a pullback. This is a pullback to resistance on the move to the downside. When price formed structure to the upside here, price turned back around, started chopping to the downside here, taking out this low here from this swing to the upside, and now price is pulling back to an area of resistance, but I don't like it. Not for me. Nope. All right, maybe price is gonna pull up, test this area right here. Okay, and at 60, somewhere around 60, 45, 60, maybe get some rejection. Can look for an opportunity, maybe go short. Let's see. Trying to scalp. Scalping, scalping. That's all I do, guys. Follow price action, read the market. That's what it's about. I'm not a position or swing trader, guys. So trading is as simple as ABC, guys. It's like, you know, it's not hard. It's what you make of it. If you, pull out time, back test and study the market, making sure your strategy work. And, you see that your strategy has a high win to loss ratio, and trade it, you know. Just be mindful of price action and understanding, structure of the market. So it's kind of elementary, guys. It's just being able to read what's going on. Yeah. So, ooh, 53. 53. I don't know what the market's going to do right here. 58.25. Yeah, we'll see. Trying to at least get in one more trade for today. It could break through this area here, push higher. I don't know at this point though. We'll see. 53.5. Patience, patience. It is hard. It's tough, because as a trader, you want to click that button. You always want to be in a trade, but man, that's the hardest thing to overcome is um, being a smart trader is being patient and let the market unfold for you and show you. Wait on the trade. Wait on it. You know. I mean, come on, baby. Um, eh. Hmm. Might not be done here. It should have. It should have. Come on. Yeah, I don't like what it's doing right here. Oh, nope, 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 nope. It wants to. Oh man, let's see. Let me see all these buy orders coming in here on the Delta. Little tricky trade here. Mm, all right. Yeah. I'm gonna do something like this. And yeah. Let me take a look here and see what this thing is doing. Yeah, you can see the pace of the market is really slow, so be careful trading this. The market's not moving. This is typically where I would get out of a trade at because the market is not the pace of the market's not too fluid, so anything can happen. I mean, the market could actually just push higher here. So I'm going to wait it out here. I don't like the pace of the market, but I am going to trade it smart. Ah, come on. Jesus. Come on. Yeah, I'm going to trade this smart. Come on. Ah, bouncing. Come on. Oh, look at that. Yeah, this market is doing some time, is it? Crazy stuff this morning. So, okay. I'm going to okay. All right. So let me wait and see what's going to happen right here. That had me a little scared, guys. But it's probably one of the more scary trades I've been in a while because it just didn't make any sense to me. The market was just it's chopping sideways now, so I'm gonna wait for it to kind of tell me, give me some. I want to go short again, but I want to wait for it to tell me what. Okay, there we go. Now it wants to move. Come on. There we go. Okay. It's going to come down here to 50, right here, 53 and a half. I knew it was going to do that. All right. So this is where, as a trader, you've got to be careful because this was a good area to take a trade from, based on a pullback, going short. But you got to be mindful what price could bounce at. Like I said, 53 and a half. I knew it would come back down to this area right here. But what they did was they um, was trying to stop traders out. Price pulled, retraced back. Yes, this would have been my short entry, but they pulled the market back up. Price was still in this small area right here of resistance right here, which to me is like a little small area of supply. And price rejects it still and pushes lower. Okay, they just wanted to fake you out. That was a fake out right there. So you gotta be careful on things like that and stay in your ground. All right, I got a little chicken. Yes, I did. I got scared of that trade there. I'm gonna be honest with you because I was getting ready to figure out how I was gonna get out, but was able to get out of it successfully. So. All right, let's see here. Um, yeah, I don't like this right here. Let's see. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah. All right, so let's see. Trade performance. And you saw after it broke for the second time coming to the downside right here, when it rejected right here finally. I took my trade right here. The trade should have actually been in the top end of the high volume area. So right here at the top, and that's what price rejected from. So when price pulled back, I took the trade and closed the red candle right here below this little high volume area. The trade should have actually been at the top at the closure, but you want to wait for price to break right below 58 and a quarter pretty much. So when price rejected from the top here at the close of um, pretty much 50 right here at 50. Just say 56.5. You could have went short. Okay. All right. So that had me a little scared, to be honest with you. I'm up 38 ticks right now. Okay. So, yep. 38 ticks for today so far. Don't know if I'll take any more trades because I just don't like the price action, what's going on right now. So let's just, I'm gonna wait it out and see what happens. All right, I'm in for a little scalp long. I'm expecting it to come up to at least 58. Hopefully it does anyway. Um, uh, Come on. It can bounce here though. So I might need to go ahead and just cover my trade here and get out this trade here. Be smart about it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get out this trade because I don't like what it's doing. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna get out this trade. Yeah, get out of that trade. Don't like what it's doing. Yeah, I see there, 58. I said 58. So yeah, I don't like what it's doing here. It balanced right here. This would have been a little long entry right here, but there's not much meat for me to actually, to get into a trade in this area here. So I got out. I did the right thing. Yep, 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 yep. All right. Yeah, it's got one little tick off that trade. So hey, that one little tick covered my trade right there. So 39 ticks right now. Nothing lost. Okay. I think I'm gonna call it quits for today, guys, right now. So I just it's up 39 ticks. So I'll probably trade a little more. We'll see. Maybe this afternoon. I don't know yet. Maybe I don't know because I know right now it is 11:15 almost, and I don't want to be trading around. When it comes around that 12 o'clock time frame when that news event takes place of the Fed chair speaking today. So hey, I wish everyone a successful day in trading. If you're trading, please be safe in the market, guys. Okay. I see you guys in tomorrow's recorded session here, and I hope you guys are finding value in the content that I posted to the channel. Please let me know in the comments below. If you're finding value, please let me know, guys. First time trading, go ahead and hit that. Excuse me, not first time trading. First time watching one of the videos, please go ahead and hit that little red button, that subscribe button, and make sure to hit that little bell icon next to it. That's the post notification. To make sure that you never miss one of the videos, guys. Sorry about that, a little tongue twisted. See you in tomorrow's video. Take care.